Adding Recaptcha to a Wix website is a straightforward process that helps protect your site from spam and abuse. To get started, you will need a Google account and a Wix website. First, go to the Google Recaptcha website and sign in with your Google account. Click on the Admin Console button and then click on the plus sign to create a new Recaptcha. Choose the Recaptcha type you want to use, either Recaptcha v2 or Recaptcha v3. Recaptcha v2 requires users to complete a challenge, while Recaptcha v3 works in the background and does not require user interaction. Enter a label for your Recaptcha and select the domain for which you are creating the Recaptcha. You can add multiple domains if needed. Then, click on the Create button to create your Recaptcha. You will be given a site key and a secret key. Copy these keys as you will need them to add the Recaptcha to your Wix website. Next, log into your Wix account and go to the Wix editor. Click on the Add button on the left side of the editor and select More from the drop-down menu. Search for Recaptcha in the search bar and click on the Recaptcha app to add it to your site. In the Recaptcha settings, enter the site key and secret key you copied from the Google Recaptcha website. Choose the type of Recaptcha you want to use in the location where you want to add it. Finally, click on the Apply button to add the Recaptcha to your Wix website. You can test the Recaptcha by visiting your site and attempting to submit a form or perform another action that requires the Recaptcha. By following these steps, you can add Recaptcha to your Wix website and help protect it from spam and abuse. This will give you peace of mind and help ensure that your site remains secure.